Yeah, I have taken graphical method one problem. Okay, I'll explain how exactly to be solved. Okay, so here the question is to minimize. Okay, the question is to minimize. So what is supposed to do whenever a graphical method is given? First step is convert all the inequalities into equations. Okay, so now here you have two inequalities. Okay, those two inequalities you need to convert that to equation. First one is 5x plus 7y you have greater than or equal to, so that will be equal to 35. Okay, second one is 10x plus 4y equal to 40. Okay, so whenever you have a graphical method, first convert the inequalities. It might be less than or equal to, or it might be greater than or equal to. Okay, you need to convert that into equations, and then you need to find the pair of points. So how do you find the pair of points? First what you're supposed to do is take when x is equal to 0. Okay, for this equation, when x is equal to 0, find out what is the value of y. So the value of y will be 5. Okay, then when y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? X is equal to 7. Okay, so the first pair of point here is 0 comma 5. Okay, this is x and this is y, and here this pair of point is 7 comma 0. First write x value, then y value. Okay, coming to the second equation, the same procedure. Find out what is y when x is 0, that is the value is y value is a 10. Okay, then when y is 0, what is the value of x? It is 4. So what are the pair of points? The first point is 0 comma 10. The second point is 4 comma 0. So we have got the pair of points. The next step is you need to plot it in the graph. Okay, so that is the values start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, just check what are the points. For the first equation, okay, the first equation, you have 0 comma 5 and 7 comma 0. Okay, 0 comma 5 and 7 comma 0. So just plot it. 0 comma 5 is this one. Okay, 0 comma 5, I'll write it here, and 7 comma 0 is this, 7 comma 0. Now join these, because those are the equation, those are the points of one equation only. Okay, so I'm going to join this. Yeah, the second one, the second point is, what are the second points? It is 10 comma 0 comma 10 and 4 comma 0. So now substitute, plot 0 comma 10 and 4 comma 0. That is 0 comma 10 is this point, 0 comma 10, and 4 comma 0 is this point, 4 comma 0. Now join these two points. Yeah, once it is done, you need to find out the region. Okay, so how do you find out the region? Take the inequalities. You had the question, you had two inequalities. Okay, so take those two inequalities. One is 5x, you have 5x plus 7y greater than or equal to 35. Second inequality is 10x plus 4y greater than or equal to 40. So how will you find out the region? Substitute x and y both equal to 0. Okay, when I substitute here, I get 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 35, which is nothing but 0 greater than or equal to 35. Similarly here, when I substitute x and y equal to 0, I'll get 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 40, which is nothing but 0 greater than or equal to 40. So here, you need to check whether the conditions are true. Okay, so here if you find it, you have 0 greater than or equal to 35, which cannot be true, right? So this is a false statement. Similarly here, 0 is greater than or equal to 40. Here also it is a false statement. Okay, whenever the conditions are not true, when you substitute x and y 0 in the inequalities, whenever you get condition not true, then you have to shade the region outside the origin or away from the origin. For example, here for this problem, the first equation I have taken this one, the black colored lines, okay, and the condition is not true here, it is false. So I am shading the region away from the origin. So this region, this entire region. Okay, coming to the second equation, it is also false. So here also it is, the region should be away from the origin. So that is this one. The region should be away from the origin. Yeah. Then find out which is the common region. We have shaded both the equations, okay, inequalities shaded. Find out which is the common region. That is, you should have both colors here. As I've taken red and black, you should contain the intersection is both of those colors. That is, the region is, first you have this point, okay, you have from here, because this black colored line, it is this way, okay. So first point is this one. Then you have one more point here where the two lines intersect. Then you have the last point here. So you have 3 points. At those points you get the common region. So I'll write the points here. The first point is 0, 10. The second point is 7, 0. How will you find out this point? It is using simultaneous linear equations method. Okay, that is, this point you have got using the intersection of two equations. What are the two equations? One is 5x plus 7y equal to 35, and one more is 10x plus 4y equal to 40. Okay, find the value of x and y, so that will be this point. So what do you get here? I can multiply 5 here, I can multiply 2, so I get 10x plus 14y equal to 70, and this value as it is, 10x plus 4y equal to 40. Negate this. When I negate this, I get 10x cancelled. 14 minus 4 will give me 10y equal to 70 minus 40 is a 30. So y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 3, what is the value of x? Substitute in any of the equations. Okay. So here if I take for the second equation, 10x plus 4 into y value is 3 equal to 40. That is 10x plus 12 is equal to 40. So 10x is equal to 40 minus 12, which is nothing but 28. So 10x is equal to 28. Then x is nothing but 28 by 10, which is nothing but 2.8. So x value is 2.8 here. That means in the graph, this value is 2.8 comma 3. So here I'll get 2.8 comma 3 and then I'll substitute the values. Okay, when I substitute the values here, what is the objective function? The objective function was you have to find out the value at this point, 3x plus 2y. Okay, so substitute each of this. When you have 0 comma 10, what's the value of p? This is p is equal to, the value of p is 20. Okay, when you have 7 comma 0, the value is 21, and when you have a 2.8 comma 3, the value is 14.4. So what was the question? The question was to minimize. So you need to find out the minimum value. Among these three, which is the minimum value? 14.4. Okay, so therefore minimum value is 14.4 at which points? At the points 2.8 comma 3. So this is the answer. Okay, similarly you are doing the maximum problem. Okay, but see that the conditions are true. For this one, when you substitute, if the condition is true, then you have to shade the region towards the origin. If the conditions are not true, like this particular problem where you got false, you have to shade the region away from the origin. Okay, then you'll get the points. When you don't have the exact points, okay, you need to use simultaneous linear equations method. Then you will get the points and then substitute in the objective function, like I've done it here. Substitute in the objective function. Find out if the question is maximize, find the maximum value. If the question is minimize, find the minimum value. Okay, so this is the graphical method.